My urban studies major prepared me for this Challenge Detroit program fellowship because starting off, every time we talk about the city of Detroit, it was kind of, about the negative parts of it, the downfall, the issues. And every time I'd just sit there in my chair and just be like, well, wait, that's not, like, I know what you're saying, but that's not the city that I know. And so initially there was that drive to kind of like show everyone that there's something that they don't know about the city. And then going further with that, my professors that I all had are very knowledgeable from multiple backgrounds, and I really had the ability in discussions with class to take those discussions, and I would go to their offices after sometimes, or we'd exchange emails, or even just after class have a short discussion and just be like, what do you see this, how do you see this having influence in the city? Or I would just ask them to like break down the lesson plan that we went through that day a little bit deeper, and I almost feel like I always had Detroit in the back of my mind with everything and comparing what I was learning to the city. I don't think I could have seen myself really accomplishing this without the experience I've had here. It's been really, really great how my major and my minor work together. I know for a while I kind of flip-flopped between different majors and minors, but then once I settled in and kind of zoned in on urban planning, and I really got hooked on hospitality and tourism as well, it was so complementary. I got the urban planning. It was a really well-rounded understanding of all the different assets and different applications of urban planning, because there's there's so many different ways you can go. And one of the great things about the College of Charleston's program is you get a well-rounded education about it, so you're not really like focusing in on one thing specifically and excluding the knowledge about all the other ones. You really get to see how they all integrate together and how everything creates this cycle and this balance to like create a greater change, which is pretty much like something that really resonates with me. So I was really, really happy to have that. And then the other part was having that hospitality and tourism management minor was huge for me, because I got business classes, I got a business background. My experience with the program in Charleston has been really great because I have found my way into working with the city and into working with the hospitality and tourism industry, and using my program, my education to really all work together and facilitate this great educational growth. It's been wonderful. Had I been in another city, I don't know if I would have had the ability to really get deep into the city planning program and really see how the business people work and really integrate myself with the different industries. The knowledge that we have with the staff in the program and their enthusiasm and excitement to teach their students, that was just an energy that I just kept feeding off of. My urban studies degree really prepared me for that, because I've learned how to integrate all of these different facets of this field and bring them all together, and just having that more well-rounded knowledge of things, I feel like has given me the ability to recognize where if one thing's lacking, you can kind of bring another thing.